The thing we will never say to somebody is, would you not get your hearing checked? And we should be saying it. I've noticed as people begin to lose their hearing, they don't take part in conversations, then they're not asked into conversations, then they don't want to go to places where they will have to get into a conversation with others, and you become more and more gradually isolated. That's why having your hearing checked is so important, because it has such a domino effect. I was in the new Specsavers, as it happened, the one in Dawson Street in Dublin, and what struck me about the hearing check was it was so sophisticated. I couldn't believe how simple it was. My hearing is deteriorating, not catastrophically, thank God, and not critically, thank God, but it is changing. If I have to get hearing devices, I'll get them. And it'll be like getting a pair of glasses, as far as I'm concerned. We need to talk more about hearing, and we need to listen, and we need to have a little bit of courage. It doesn't take that much, but it is such a fundamental part of our being, and it is such a precious part. As just think about what you would miss. The sounds that we love, the sea, the waves, the birds singing, the rustling of leaves, and you'll say to yourself, hang on, I'm getting a hearing check, just in case.